Leo, what's up? 2022 Heritage Softail. Again, another 22 Heritage Softail in for Handlebar job. This one, again, just like the other one, brand new, pretty much stock. He's got the fishtails on already, but he's gonna change out his 12-inch mini apes, go with 14-inch ape hangers. We're gonna do the cables. He's also having us replace his rear shock with a progressive rear shock. And then cosmetically, he's taking us, have us do his rocker box cover. So we're gonna change this out, change out his rocker box cover, so aesthetically it's gonna look a lot nicer. If you're looking for a quote, if you're looking to upgrade your Harley, give us a call. This should be a nice before and after. 2022 Heritage, brand new, in and out at docks. So we're just doing a wrap up on the 2022 Heritage, another one that we did. This one, quick handlebar swap. He had 12-inch apes on there, wanted to go with 14, better rider comfort for him so he can enjoy his ride. Cosmetically, he had the flat black rocker box covers. He wanted to change that out, so he blacked these out with some gloss black rocker box covers. And then finally, his rear suspension. You can't see it, but he's gonna feel it. He went with the Legend suspension, rear shock kit. So before and after, he's gonna enjoy this, but whatever your rides are needs, give us a call. We'll get in and out. Can't talk, but hey.